Some of the internet is still built on old protocols, and some developers still write handwritten parsers to translate these old protocols into modern systems. But this is one of the major reasons for vulnerability according to OWASP.
So I built the protocol resurrection machine to solve the security issue. The protocol resurrection machine has different modes, allowing light mode and dark mode, and I'll be reporting this with the dark mode. So first thing is to generate a YAML entry, which can be changed with this demo button, and then it is validated. If issues are found with the validation, the autofix button attempts a fix, and if successful, the user can proceed to generate the codes in the full programming language, which can be downloaded and also copied. Also, the code can be validated to see if it compiles well in the backend, and if successful, it will return a success message. While that is processing, the simulate button is to show how not just the code is generated, but what works in the backend. So, for example, running a simulation on the IoT sensor, we see how the Rust gateway sends binary data to the Go gateway, then forward the output to the Python bot. This visual flow makes it understandable how each of the protocols work together. Also, it has a documentation feature which can explain or give insights to the protocol that is generated. Then the host discovery button can discover the host of the protocol selected and also interact with it, send packets to it. For example, this is sending 3 packets to it in real time. So, and has a 60% match with the fingerprint database, which can also be modified by adding to it or removing from it. Then there is a model context protocol, which allows the protocol resurrection machine speak with AI agents like Cloud and speak to these dead protocols by resurrecting them. So this sends a sensor reading to the AI agent. So the validated code, which was running that time, validated successfully. All the 4 programming languages are seen on the console. Also, I used Kiro in building all of this because when I tried a small project on Kiro and I saw the capability of what it can do, I decided to go in full scale to attempt to build something as big as this, and I was able to do that through the help of Kiro specs and agent hooks, which was quite helpful. So instead of patching legacy codes forever, now a protocol can be defined and codes are generated in a secure fashion. So the protocol resurrection machine doesn't just write parsers, it resurrects them in a secure fashion.